hearing something. Sounds like it's coming from over there. That's a diesel. That's something big.
What the hell is he telling him? No.
Sense. Hold up. Somebody shine a light up to her. That's a vehicle of some kind.
I think that's Buck's truck.
That is Buck's truck.
We're working along there, and all of a sudden we look up, and there's Buck's truck. It's all clear. Nobody in here. I can see where somebody's got out right here.
Look here, Bully, look at this. Look at this footprint right here.
I say this is where somebody just walked down through here.
I'd say somebody pretty good size went right down through here.
Hold on, guys. I got a call. Come. It's Jeff. Yeah, can you hear me?
I'm worried. I'm hearing a diesel coming up through here.
Diesel?
I don't think I can get out of the car and run.
All right, Jethro. We're coming your way as hard as we can, okay? We got to abandon this one. Jeff just called. He said he can hear something that sounds like a diesel, and he sounded scared. We got to get over there.
Turn the light off. I can still hear it. It's coming. What is that?
Guys, when we go in that junkyard, be ready.
It's a bulldozer. It's coming this way. Hell, he ain't even slowing down. What the hell is he doing? Oh, God. He's going to crush me up in here. Oh! He's going to mash it up. Son of a bitch!
Oh, my God. What in the world's that?
Is that the car Jeff said?
Yeah. We need to get out.
We need to get down there, guys.
Get out there.
Oh, no.
Let's get over there.
Jethro!
Jethro!